this with like some little sunglasses. Come on, you literally cannot tell me this is not the cutest thing in the world.
In the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, what's up? So with New York Fashion Week and Paris Fashion Week now being behind us, I've been so inspired lately. I just see all these Instagram hoes. I see all these Instagram models, all these actual models, all these designers, stylists, artists at New York Fashion Week in the dopest outfits ever. And I just feel super like creatively inspired and charged, and I wanted to do a Fashion Week inspired lookbook, really inspired by all the trends that we saw. This honestly is more inspired by the streetwear than it is the actual runway collections, but the two kind of go hand in hand, like they always kind of mirror each other somewhat. So if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe and follow me on Instagram so that we can connect on and off YouTube, because I feel the connection. And yeah, that's all the intro that this video needs. Let's get into it. So this is outfit number one. What I really like about this outfit is how this Fashion Week, like we saw a lot of mixing things that were really like fancy or really like dressed up with things that were super casual. And then the neon color was also a huge trend just this year in general, but especially at Fashion Week. So I love seeing those two components brought into this. The super casualness of like the long sleeve, what's the word? Turtleneck. The casualness of the turtleneck with this super cute, like sexy little black dress that's more like classy. I really like the way that these two mix, and I think that the colors complement each other well. I'm giving you like Shigo from Kim Possible realness, so we love that. And yeah, it just fits really nicely, and it's super sexy without having to be like revealing. And I know a lot of people don't like to be as revealing as I am sometimes, so I feel like this is something that will work for a lot of different people. With like some little sunglasses. Come on, you literally cannot tell me this is not the cutest thing in the world. Outfit number two, this honestly, and I didn't even think about this when I was piecing it together, but now that I have it on, y'all know I love Kylie Jenner. This is giving me those like that Chanel two-piece set that her and Stassi wore matching. But this I love. This has been a huge trend this year and at Fashion Week, like matching sets of outfits. That has been, my dog is barking for no reason. That has been huge this year. So I definitely needed an outfit that was like a matching set or like a monochromatic look, because that has been the vibe Fashion Week. I got a little bit of foundation on my shirt, so I'm sorry, just ignore it. This is very like country club chic to me, and I love that look. I always have, like literally since I was a little girl, like that has just been like the epitome of like mwah, fashion. So this outfit is super Fashion Week inspired, because all Fashion Week we've been seeing everything half buttoned or like one or two buttons done in crop tops, jackets, blazers, button-up shirts, anything that you can button has been half button this fashion week, and I'm here for it. And I also like that this looks like it's like 2 looks in one, and they're still cohesive. Like this looks good tucked in and loose. I would honestly wear it both ways. I'd tuck it in, I'd wear it out like this. I also like that this is like fashion, but simple and realistic. That's another thing I like about Fashion Week, is that it is not super avant-garde. Like this is stuff that's wearable. You can wear this stuff to brunch, you can wear this stuff shopping, you can wear this stuff walking around, you know what I mean? Like none of it is so over the top as far as the Fashion Week street looks go, especially with New York Fashion Week. Like they're still wearable, and that very much is represented in this fit right here. I would probably pair these with either like chunky sneakers or like chunky black boots, maybe Doc Martens, or like a chunky pair of heeled boots. That'd be really cute. So yeah, this is outfit number 3. Right here is super inspired by New York Fashion Week in specific, because we saw a lot of super funky bottoms. Like people were getting away from like regular black dress pants or like jeans and stuff. We saw so many funky bottoms, where there was funky print, funky neon colors, and so I really wanted to play on that when I was doing a Fashion Week inspired lookbook. So these are just some super patterned like blue pants, and they're like not like textbook on paper. They're not my style, but obviously I own them because I like them. I really like these. This is one of those pieces of clothing I forgot I even had in my closet because I don't wear them all the time. I don't often wear statement bottoms, but they're so soft and comfortable, and they shape me really nicely, so I really like these. And then I paired it with this regular white like bow front crop top, and I really love this top. I originally bought it for my vacation, but I've been wearing it a ton since I got it, and I thought they went really cute together. If you don't want to show like a ridiculous amount of stomach, just pull the pants up, sis. Just pull the pants up, and then don't. I actually prefer it down lower like this with more belly out. I know not everybody's comfortable. Get a longer crop top then, silly, duh. Gives me very much like almost Kardashian-Jenner vibes, like very much like celebrity, I'm important, I got stuff going on vibes. I would pair this with like either some white chunky sneakers or a pair of those like nude clear heels, because this gives me celebrity vibes in the sense that like the tight little black dress looks super expensive, and you put like a big jacket over it. Like you get this look when you wear like a mini dress with like a puffer jacket, or like, you know, a big oversized jacket like this, and I love this look. Very much like I have a fashion show at 12 and then I have a meeting at 2. You know what I mean? And this jacket, I feel like this jacket is just timeless. I've had it for about 2 years, but it just never goes out of style. Like I don't think I will ever stop wearing this jacket unless I just like outgrow it. Like I'm obsessed. I'm in love with this jacket. It's very fashion forward while still being super casual. Again, it's like the statement piece. Like the dress is so cute and classic, and then you put like the oversized jean jacket on top of it, especially with like all this stuff and all this writing on it. It's so dope. This is like honestly one of my favorite pieces in my closet that I even own. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it, putting together outfits. It gave me a lot of inspiration about things to wear in the next coming week or 2. So that was pretty fun. If you did enjoy this video, leave me a like, a comment. Let's talk. What did you like? What didn't you like? And subscribe for more videos like this and not like this, because your girl is versatile, okay? Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Let's connect on and off YouTube. Okay. I have to go. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.
Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass, girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I